Hey everyone, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. It's Christmas time, my favorite time of year, and we're gonna make Santa's favorite cookies today. Bet you didn't know Santa had a favorite cookie, but he definitely does, and this is the recipe. Now, I happen to have a line into Santa's workshop, and he told me that his favorite cookie recipe was this one. It's a pudding cookie that's filled with red and green sprinkles and red and green M&Ms, and it's super festive and delicious, and he loves them. In fact, when I leave them for him every year at Christmas, he eats the entire platter. Now, if you've never had a pudding cookie before, you're missing out. All a pudding cookie is a basic chocolate chip cookie recipe, and you throw in a box of instant pudding mix. It keeps the cookies soft forever. I swear, you could leave these on your counter for 4 or 5 days and they'll still be soft. That's how amazing pudding cookies are. I also love using pudding mix in cookies because you can choose whatever flavor you want. These cookies use instant vanilla pudding mix, but you could use chocolate or pistachio or butterscotch or lemon or whatever pudding mix you want, and it'll flavor the cookie dough like the pudding mix. It's fantastic. And this recipe is an all-purpose pudding cookie recipe, but it's also Santa's favorite. To make this cookie, you start with a half a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure that it's softened. Add it to a mixer with brown sugar. This is also a brown sugar cookie recipe. There's no granulated sugar in this cookie. I love using brown sugar in cookies because it keeps them soft, and I love the flavor of brown sugar too. Add 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and your pudding mix. Now, no matter what you do, make sure you're using instant pudding mix, and make sure you're using one of the 3.4 to 3.9 ounce boxes. Don't use sugar-free, use regular instant pudding mix. Mix all that up, and then add your all-purpose flour. Once your cookie dough forms, it's time to get creative. Now, these are Santa's favorite cookies, so we're using Santa colors, red and green. Don't tell Santa, but you can make this for any holiday by just switching out the color of sprinkles and candy that you're using. I'm adding some red and green sprinkles. I'm using Jimmy's, not nonpareils. Jimmy's are those longer ones. They don't melt in the oven, but nonpareils usually do. So make sure you use Jimmy's. You can find them on Amazon. You can get these sprinkles at most craft stores, even in the grocery store nowadays, especially in the Christmas aisle. You can find the colored ones that are red and green. Use any colors mix that you want, and then add in some red and green Christmas M&Ms. Now, they make Christmas M&Ms in all flavors now, so you can use whatever flavor M&M that you want. Mix up that dough, and then you're gonna scoop these by 2 tablespoonfuls onto cookie sheets. I do chill these for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator because I like a pillowy, soft cookie. If you're only chilling for about 30 minutes, just pop them in, bake them at 350, and they'll flatten out nicely. If you've chilled them any longer than 30 minutes, you're gonna wanna pat them down with your hand a little bit or let them sit out for a little while on the counter. Otherwise, they'll just stay in like ball form. And so you want them to flatten a little bit. You can just use your hand to flatten them or just chill them for 30 minutes and pop them in the oven. They only take about 10 to 11 minutes to cook, and then I guarantee you're not gonna wanna wait to let these cool to remove them and eat them. And Santa's favorite cookie, red and green M&Ms, red and green sprinkles, perfect for Christmas. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you eat something sweet.